Subtitles created by Dimitorzoc. Subtitles made by Dimitorzoc. Continuation follows. Our Good afternoon, dear viewers of our channel. We are in the city of Salsk, on the production of Liliana. With us on the phone Artem. He works as a technologist at this enterprise. Artem, please, tell us about your enterprise. What products do you produce? Our company manufactures products of equipment, bankers' pins. We have supplied you with a machine for the production of screws. Can you tell me, please, what is the maximum thickness of a screw you produce on it? The maximum thickness is 6 mm. How quickly did you master the work on the equipment? Were there any difficulties in the process of work? We have mastered this equipment practically from behind. There were no difficulties. Everything was clear, straightforward and fast. What did you use to produce such auger coils before? We used to manufacture equipment on Dentec machines. This is the Izevsk laser planting. Did our equipment help you to optimize your production? How has the quality of your products improved? Your machine helped us in terms of what we put in for coils compared to the last machine. Because we couldn't make parts in. We couldn't make quality. With the advent of your center, we are getting parts as long as I hold anything. Can you recommend shopping for our equipment? Yes. We can recommend this equipment to other businesses. Thank you very much, Artem. All the best to everyone. Goodbye.